All right, hey guys, we are in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we just finished, he just finished training at the 10th Planet Jiu-Jitsu what's it called, Dark Haven Studios? Yeah, and now after a big roll, if you are visiting Albuquerque, we highly recommend this Mexican restaurant that's been around since 1960. It's called Taco Sal, right?
Sal taco.
Sal's taco? Sal, like salt? Taco.
Sal like Salvador.
Oh, okay, Salvador. I had the enchiladas with papitas.
Mine is gone.
Yeah, and yeah. What did you have though? What was it?
Chicken quesadilla.
Chicken quesadilla. All right, highly recommended for peeps coming through Albuquerque.
My name is Silvestre. We're co-owners from Taco Sal. We are a New Mexican restaurant. We've been here since the 1960s. Well, this restaurant's been here since the 1960s. The specialty of the restaurant, New Mexican restaurants, are sopapillas. It's a common thing. Like every New Mexican restaurant gives out sopapillas whenever with your meal. You can get them as dessert, or you can even make your own plate of sopapillas. So we can stuff it with any meat you like, ground beef, chicken, and smother it with red or green chili.
And sometimes I saw you have honey too, right?
Oh yeah, and then it goes with honeys.
And what is the texture like in the mouth?
It's like a bread kind of thing, or flour tortilla. It's between both of them. I want to say it's usually called fried bread.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much.
Probably like a minute
Okay.
at the most. This thing is at 400 degrees.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and I can't use a glove when I'm putting it in there with this hand. If you get a glove, it will get grab into the dough. It already happened to a guy.